Welcome back. In this video, we'll understand the benefit of the Kubernetes. Kubernetes, also known as K8, it's an open source platform which is designed to automate the deployment, scaling of the application. Let's talk about the benefit of using the Kubernetes. So the first benefit is scalability. The next one is self-healing, load balancing, persistent storage, simplified deployment and rollbacks, multi-cloud and hybrid cloud support, resource efficiency. And it also improves the developer productivity as well. Let's discuss each of these points in detail. Scalability. Kubernetes provides scalability. That means application can automatically scale up or down based on the demand. Self-healing. In any environment or in any application, things can go wrong anytime. Same in Kubernetes as well. It can fail, pods might get crash. Here the Kubernetes has a self-healing capability. It can automatically restart failed containers, replace them, and reschedule them across the node, ensuring your applications stay healthy and available. The next one which we have, that is the load balancing. Kubernetes also provides load balancer feature, which means traffic can automatically distribute between the container and the pod. This makes your application more reliable, more responsive, even under heavy load. The next one is the persistent storage. With Kubernetes, you can use the storage for your application. Whether it is a local storage, cloud storage, network storage, Kubernetes ensure your data is available whenever you need it. Simplify deployment and the rollbacks. Kubernetes make it easy to deploy new version of your application and roll them back if something goes wrong. This means you can release update faster with more confidence. Multi-cloud and the hybrid support. Kubernetes allow you to run your application on different cloud providers or on-premises. Resource efficiency. Kubernetes provide resource efficiency and ensure your application get the most out of your infrastructure. With Kubernetes, developer can focus on writing code rather than managing infrastructure. In the last, Kubernetes also provide enhanced security, like we can use features like secret management, access control, network policy to secure the application. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.